Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Lumis 32 by Supreme. Supreme products are a family-owned business manufactured up in Canada by our North American friends. Now this is going to be one of the largest, if not the largest, masonry contemporary wood inserts available on the market. So I'm going to take you guys inside and show you this. It has a huge, nice viewing area. You can see here, beautiful glass door. Now Supreme did make some changes to these inserts, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this. So inside the firebox is going to be a full cast iron lining here, and it does have a beautiful brick pattern, which makes it look really nice and adds a lot of detail to it as well. Now they did replace the air tubes at the top with this really nice stainless steel baffle with the air holes, which is really nice because when you have such a large viewing area like this, you really don't want to have any obstruction with the air tubes going across the top. Sometimes those air tubes hang down. They look a little funny when you have this beautiful fire going on inside your fireplace. It does just have a solid steel bottom here located at the bottom of the firebox. You do have two damper controls on this particular unit. You have your primary, which is going to be closed and open, and then your secondary is going to be an air wash here as well. So you do have a very nice thick gasket on the firebox door as well. Nice thick gasketing on the firebox door. Beautiful cast iron panels with this nice brick paneling design. This is this top stainless steel baffle with the air tubes, which is super nice, highly efficient. Here are your two damper controls. This is going to be your primary damper control and your secondary air wash damper control. Again, nice handle design, easy open and close. This is the new Lumis model. This model was just launched in 2023. I'm super excited to film it for you guys and show you guys this product. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this product overview today. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to just give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.